Alright guys, Dexter back with you with another redneck tutorial for SilentGround, Couch Tater, and RantingBitch.com. Alright, today's tutorial we're going to go over how to post a TV show. Again, we do things a little bit different here on SilentGround and Couch Tater. We're going to be using TMDB, or what's known as the movie database, not to be confused with IMDb. So with TMDB and posting TV shows, what we're going to cover is going over posting complete seasons, posting complete or single episodes, and then if you want to keep your threads updated week to week, you can actually draw in the information for individual episodes and just post your download links. It's quick, it's easy, it's clean. Once you learn how to post TV shows on Couch Tater and SilentGround, you'll never want to post anywhere else because it's just that simple. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so here once again we find ourselves at Couch Tater. What I'm going to do is just a quick reminder for everybody at the beginning of this video on how to switch your theme. So if we scroll down to the bottom of the board, you will see the theme name somewhere in the bottom left. In this case we're on Couch Tater Blue. The default is going to be switching to Social Tater. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to that. So if you have the appropriate permissions, an upgraded account, honored member, and so forth, you'll be able to switch your themes. So let's go over posting TV shows. In this example, I'm going to be posting the show Castle. In ABC, I'm going to do a complete season, but I'm also going to cover how to post a single episode if you're updating your shows weekly with weekly episodes, etc. Normally we would scroll down, ABC, go over the subform drop down, and choose complete seasons. But to cover a few things in this video, we're going to be using the top navigation. So we're going to hover over American Networks, go to ABC, complete seasons, and here up at the top right you're going to see post new TV show. So we're going to go ahead and click there, and this is going to be Castle Season 1. Okay, so I'm just going to put a title in, Castle Season 1 complete. And now we need the TMDB link for that show. Without that link, it will not allow you to post. So, again, if you don't have it bookmarked, there's a nice little link right here. Just go ahead and click on that. And I'm going to search for Castle. There's my show. So I want to click to go into it. And I want to go up to my address bar and copy that address. That's what we're going to use right here. Okay, that's the link that's going to draw in the TV show poster, the information, and so forth. Alright, so now download, and I'm going to format that in bold. I'm going to do code tags, and I'm going to grab my links that I've got right here. And paste them in, insert, password, bold that, and in this instance I happen to know that there isn't any password required, but I'm in the habit of putting that little snippet of information in there anyways. It's completely up to you if you want to or not. So no password required. Alright. Insert. That's just a little confirmation to the end user that, hey, they're not going to have to type a password, and so forth. Pretty much that's it. I'm done. I just want to create thread. And this is what my show is going to look like. The first post right here is going to contain my poster, all the relevant information about the show. It's going to force my download links and everything into the second post. Now, I'm not going to go out and create a new thread, etc. That's just going to extend the video even longer. But let's say this was a single episode that I'm going to update weekly, and that instead of posting the whole season right here, I'd posted season 1, episode 1. Well, the next week rolls around, the show airs, and I want to come back and I want to update that thread with season 1, episode 2. So what I'm going to do there is, if you'll take a look at this area, this is your little quick reply box. You're used to it on every forum that you've ever been on, replying to someone and so forth. Well, there's a little addition to that. We've got a TMDB episode link box down here. So I'm going to go back over to TMDB, and again, there's a nice little link just to take you straight there. And inside Castle, I'm going to scroll down. This is season 1. So I'm going to click on season 1. And I'm updating weekly, so this would actually be episode 2. I'm going to click to go into episode 2. This episode is called Nanny McDead. And you'll see in the address bar here, season 1, episode 2. That's the link that I want to copy. And then we're going to go back over to CouchTater. We're just going to put in that link. And in the quick reply box, download. And look, it appears that my browser has frozen. There we go. Alright. And code links. And I'm going to go grab my link wherever it's at. I'm just going to use a dummy link for demonstration purposes. So there's my link to Castle Season 1, Episode 2. Insert. Password. Bold. Code. No password required. Again, you don't have to put in this information. It's just my habit. Alright, and that's it. I'm done. So I just want to post reply at that point. And it brings in the episode information. There's not always going to be a poster there. It really depends on what TMDB has and how long ago it was updated to know if that's going to be there or not. But it's an easy way to update your thread every single week. Okay? Now, if this was a weekly thread that we're keeping up to date, the one thing left to do is to edit our thread title. So if we go to the forum where we just posted that, there's going to be an edit button over to the right. Okay? So Castle Season 1. I'm in complete seasons, but again, just bear in mind that what I'm demonstrating is a weekly updated thread. So we would just edit. Oh, this worked earlier. Okay. If that don't work for you, then we're going to go back into the thread. We're going to go to Thread Tools, Edit Thread, and I will just do Season 1, or this would actually be Castle Season 1 updated weekly. And what I would edit out is the episode number that I just posted, or posted last week, with the one that I just posted. So Season 01, Episode 02 added. Save changes. And now we'll see that my thread title has been edited to reflect the latest episode. Alright, so we know how to post TV shows now. It's quick, easy, simple. We know how to create a series thread that's going to be updated weekly. We know how to edit the post, so forth. If you have any questions, just shoot me a private conversation or post in the support forums. We'll be glad to answer any questions that you have in regards to getting these posted. And I showed you a little trick earlier with sorting of movie threads. You can do TV shows the exact same way. If you want an alphabetical listing, you can come up here to the title header and just give it a click and another click, and now it's listed A to Z alphabetically. Nice and easy to find what you're looking for. Alright, this is Dexter with another redneck tutorial. Couch Tater, SilentGround, and rantingbitch.com. We'll see you on the flip side in the next video.